Yummy. So good. Oh boy.
Oh my god, I made a mess.
Now it's gonna be a pain in the ass to clean. Ugh. These stupid mats. They get stuffed everywhere. And now I gotta vacuum in the car. If only there was a better way. Hmm? 3D Mats has saved my day again. Because as you know, the first thing I like to get for most of my cars, outside of intakes, is some mats. These are the 3D mats for the 2017 and 2019 W213 Sedan. Let's go put them in. First, now I gotta clean this. Throw out this garbage. Here's a quick comparison. Rear pieces. This is for the center little hump in the back. And look at the coverage difference between the stock and that, and even the way how far they go up. Same thing with the front, a lot more. So let's get these in the car. Everything lines up perfectly. I clip right into place, tuck the tag, and voila, so much better. It's much nicer. Let's get the back in. Oh, actually, I think I should have put this in first. There we go. Look at that. Perfect fit. Perfect fit. Full coverage. All up the back. All in the middle. In fact, close this. You can see all the way down. So awesome. The thing I love about these 3D mats is that they look high-end no matter what car they're in. Like, they don't look cheap. And even over time, they don't get uglier. But it just matches so well. It looks so good. Oh, yeah. As good as new. No need to get them. They don't get ingrained in any carpet or anything like that. Just super easy to clean. There you have it, folks. If you own a W213 Sedan or a Wagon, get these 3D mats. They're awesome. And the best part is you get a discount because I have an affiliate program with them. So check out the discount code down below. Get yourself these mats, or really any mats for any cars that they have available, and you'll still get the discount. So thanks for watching, and now I can sleep soundly knowing that my carpet's not getting gross and I have way better coverage than I did OEM. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later. Bye.